Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to use ChatGPT 4 for free on Microsoft Edge with Bing. Here we go. In order to download Microsoft Edge, all you need is to type in download Microsoft Edge. Go to the Microsoft page and you will have Microsoft Edge available for Windows and Mac. I have Mac, so I'm going to click on download, and once the download finishes, the file is 331 megabytes, so it might take a while to download. Once the download is completed, open Microsoft Edge, and the moment you open, the first page that you will see on the screen has your ChatGPT. You will see search the web. Once you click on search the web, you will see, hi, I'm Bing, your AI-powered co-pilot for the web. Now this is your OpenAI integration. So click on get started and it will open a chat window. So here you can chat with GPT-4 and 3.5 and the magic happens, right? So let's see how it responds to the latest news. So I'm going to type in, show me some top headlines. It is a bit slower than OpenAI.com because it is an integration. It is not communicating directly with OpenAI. It is going through a server and then it goes into OpenAI. OpenAI communicates with the internet and then brings you the replies. So it might take a little bit of time. But the good thing about using ChatGPT 4 and 3.5 on Microsoft Edge is it is updated to the latest information. And that's a downside with OpenAI.com. OpenAI is not updated at all. For example, it gave us 3 top headlines from NDTV.com, Times of India, and IndiaToday.com. These are headlines for today, right? So let's go and open OpenAI.com and let's see how it responds to the same information that I will put in here. I'm going to put in the same top 3 headlines for today in OpenAI.com and let's see how it responds. As you can see, OpenAI.com is not updated post September 2021. That means the information that you have on OpenAI is not current. It's not updated. What it does basically is enhances the way it communicates to you, but it will not be able to give you the current and updated information on anything. So using ChatGPT on OpenAI.com is not a feasible option anymore. It's best to go to Bing, download Microsoft Edge, and you will have everything for free. The updated information. You can get the latest trends, the latest recipes, the latest stock exchange information, the latest cryptocurrency information, the latest trends on YouTube. You can create everything up to date on Bing Microsoft Edge. So there you have it, guys. And if you feel that the information that I provided was good for you and you want to subscribe and like on my channel, please do so, because let's support each other and have a good day. And in the next video, I will show you some more features of Microsoft Edge and how it can make your life easier. Stay tuned.